And now, it's time for the Sea Lion Splash.
Good morning, Sea Lions. Welcome to the Sea Lion Splash.
Hello, Sea Lions. I'm Sea Lion Leader Teddy McCartan.
And I'm Sea Lion Leader Sloan Moldown. Here are this week's announcements.
Jogathon rewards are coming on Monday. All students get a snow cone at lunch. Enjoy!
Second grade is on stage for the annual Wax Museum presentation. They will be in costume all week long. Let's learn about history together.
Violin rehearsal is after school on Monday at 2:20 p.m. in room 13.
State testing begins on Tuesday. Make sure you rest well the night before. Eat a healthy breakfast and do your very best to show what you know. You got this!
Tuesday is the 160th day of school. Brag tags will be going out to students with 8 or less absences. Thank you for being on time and at school.
College Day is on Wednesday. Support your favorite university by wearing your college gear.
Friday is the last day for life classes. We hope you learned something fun in your class.
Thank you so much, Sea Lions. Have a great week. We got a robber.
All right, put it in.
UTK.
Let's kick it off by saying congratulations to UTK student Sean McQuaid. Sean saw someone's lunch dishes were kicked over, so he picked them up and put them back without being asked. Way to go, Sean.
Kindergarten.
Let's celebrate kindergarten student Bowie Bedell. Bowie put some great effort in today with a guest teacher. She kept trying her best. You're doing wonderful things. Way to go.
First grade.
Another guest teacher wants to celebrate first grader Heidi Olvera. She said that Heidi was the first one to sit down, listen to directions, and get straight to work. Good job.
Second grade.
Miss Annette wants to celebrate second grader Rebecca Vivarito. She said, Rebecca, you are the most helpful student. Thank you for helping me to set up the well space. Well done.
Third grade.
Miss Lay wants to celebrate third grader Zoe Vogelsang. She said Zoe is aware of other friends. She includes others on the blacktop games that they play, and she shows them how to play. Thanks so much, Zoe, for being a great student.
Fourth grade.
Mrs. Ungaro, a guest teacher, wants to celebrate fourth grader Summer Heidel. She said Summer had great focus and independence today. She stayed on task and finished everything. Well done.
Fifth grade.
Ms. Cruz, our music teacher, wants to celebrate fifth grader Raina Terry. She said Raina was very respectful and led by example by following directions so promptly. Way to go, Raina.
That's wrap, Sea Lions. Have a great week.
And there you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye.